What's up, Breaker? Welcome to the Confident Dancers page. If you are new here, my name is Joshua and I teach hip hop dance online. At the end of this video, if you felt like you had a great time, we have a bunch of free resources in the description box below, so go ahead and click those links and continue your dance training. Keep in mind this video is flipped and mirrored, so feel free to follow along just as if you were dancing in a mirror. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a basic breaking combo. It's going to include a top rock, a go down, a footwork step, and then into a freeze. And this is just a basic formula, so let's get right into it. What you're going to be learning in this video is this sequence right here. We're going to start with a cross step of an 8 count. Once we're done with that 8 count, we're going to go into a cross turn knee. Then we're going to start with the 6 step, and then we're going to end in a pilot freeze. Let's do this. All right, we're gonna first start with the beginning of the sequence, doing the cross step. We wanna make sure that we stay away from swinging our arms and we keep our arms as a cross open. We're gonna start with the right foot leading. Here we go, 6, 7, 8. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, just as your go down you have just learned, now this is the part we're gonna glue in our cross turn knee. Just as a review, the right foot is going to be jumping in front, the left foot is in back. We're turning over our left shoulder down to the knee. So let's try a cross turn once, and we're gonna put it together with the cross step. Here we go, 6, 7, 8, cross turn knee. All right, now let's glue in the cross step with the 8 count into the cross turn. Here we go, 6, 7, 8. We say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross turn knee. One more time. Let's do this. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with the go down. Boom. All right. So now from this position, I have my left leg up, my right leg back, and I'm gonna begin my 6 step. So a couple key notes to point here is that the same position when I extend my left leg should feel as if the beginning of a 6 step is gonna happen, except the starting point is with my right leg down instead of it up in the beginning of a 6 step. So coming from that cross turn knee, the left leg's gonna go out and my right leg is gonna come through and start the first step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's just practice from the cross turn so that we don't get confused, and we're gonna start that first 6 step. So we're gonna do cross turn down, start with the 6 step, 6, 7, 8. We said cross turn down, extend the left. Let's begin with that right leg on the 6 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here we go. One more time from the cross turn. 6, 7, 8. We said cross turn knee, extend the leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's put it together with the cross step into the cross turn into the 6 step. 6, 7, 8. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross turn knee, extend the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Beautiful. One more time. Let's challenge ourselves. 6, 7, 8. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With your go down knee, left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after you finish your 6 step position, I'm going to be getting my right hand ready to come down and hold my weight and gently place my head down so that I can switch my feet for the pilot freeze. So let me walk you through that really slow. Going to be in the end of the 6 step here. My right hand is going to get ready to go into the stab. And as I'm letting my weight down, I gently rest my head and then I'm going to switch my feet. Well, let's just do 1 foot at a time. 1, 2. Let's take a breather in between. I'm gonna try it one more time. Up into the 6 step. Gonna place my arm for the stab. Gently place my head down. I'm gonna put my right foot and then my left foot goes back. So now for the next piece, instead of walking our feet, we're gonna try to jump the head and the arm down and then the feet and the leg down at the same time. So let's get right into that. One more time in the 6-step position. We're gonna do arm and head down and then feet switch. So what it should feel like is you're coming from this position, your left leg will go back and your right leg comes forward in one sweep together. Hiya. Let's try that one more time. Hiya. All right, so here comes the challenging part, because now the hand, the head, and the both feet exchanging have to happen all at one time. So let's take this really slow. If you don't get it the first try, go ahead, pause the video. You can try it again. We can go from there. Here we go, let's try it. We're in our 6-step position. Let's take it very slow and be safe. Hand, head, feet. Nice. We're gonna try this 2 more times because this transition can be a little bit tricky because there's 4 different pieces happening at once. Here we go, one more time. Inch from our 6-step. We're gonna go hand, head, feet. Nice. Whew. All right, so what we wanna do is now get used to adding what we're doing here with movement. So I'm gonna do the 6-step, starting from our cross step where the left leg goes out first. And once we come around to our 6-step, that's where we're gonna glue in our pilot freeze. So ready? So we're gonna start with our cross turn when we go down right here with the freeze. We're gonna extend the left. Here we go, we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now put it all together. Head, hand, legs. Nice. Let's try it one more time, then we're gonna put it all together. Here we go, we're at our cross turn knee. When we come down, we're gonna extend the left to start the 6-step. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all together. Here we go. Boom. You did it. Woo! So I am definitely sweating. Let's put everything together. It's gonna be the cross step of an 8 count, the cross turn down to the knee. We're gonna extend the left leg, 6-step around into the pilot freeze. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We said 1, 2. All right, we're gonna try this 2 more times. 6, 7, 8. We said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. All right, nice job. Before we end this video, we're gonna try it one more time, just a tiny bit faster. You're free to go. Here we go. 6, 7, 8. Said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Nice job. There you have it, you did it. You just learned how to put a top rock, a go down, a footwork sequence, and a freeze all together. Keep in mind this is just one basic formula. You can always mix and match, but now you're off at a good start and continue breaking. Lastly, if you're someone struggling to learn hip hop dance or breaking, maybe you don't know where to start, or just think you're too old to start something new, it's time to make this year your year you learn how to dance. Let me coach you personally, and the link to apply is in the description box below. See you next Tuesday.